Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know your level on FIFA Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to know your current level number on FIFA Mobile, then make sure that you're logged into your account and you have the app opened up on your preferred device. Soon after you're logged in, you'll end up on this page. At the top left, you'll be able to see your username along with your level marked right below your username. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see your player profile. It says that I'm on my level 2 on FIFA Mobile. You can improve the level of your team by gaining XPs. Remember that XPs can be earned by playing matches and skill games and boosting up you and your player's skill. That is how you'll be able to find or know your level on FIFA Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.